Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today we will be doing a Nerf gun video. I'll be showing and testing all my Nerf guns, and it'll be two parts. This is the first part. Got 5 Nerf guns, and let's get started. Okay guys, so these are the 5 Nerf guns we'll be using. We have the brain saw. We have, this one doesn't have a name on it. We have the Falcon Fire, Active Strike. We have Dual Strike, Mega, and Elite. And those are the 5 Nerf guns we'll be using. We'll be starting with the brain saw. This is the brain saw. It is, it has a green and orange design. There's a handle right here you can grab. It has a chainsaw in it that you can actually use. Like this. You just pull this. It works. Just it's hard to do when I have my phone, my camera, whatever. And here's the handle. It's a dual. It has some up there, some there. And let's test this. Okay, guys, we will now be testing it. Let's do a, right, I'm aiming right at, this gray spot on the window, right under it. It's accurate, pretty strong. Got a chainsaw. Anyone gets up close. And for the final shot, let's try a first person shot. So yeah, it's a pretty good weapon. Got good accuracy and good power. And let's get on to the next weapon, guys. Okay guys, next we'll be using the Falcon Fire Active Strike. See right here, has a nice orangish look. It has gray, some on it. You pull this up, you put a bullet in there. It has a scope on it. Built-in scope's pretty good. Here's the handle. You can fit some ammo there. And but the thing is, there's nowhere you can really put a scope on it, but that's why you have this. So let's get into the testing. Okay guys, we'll be testing this. I think I'm just gonna do a first person for this one. And let's try this. 3, 2, 1. Good accuracy and very good power. I would give this weapon a 9 out of 10. Because, if there's a special bullet for it, that'd be cool. They do have the orange and gray, but... So let's get on to the next weapon. Okay guys, now we will be moving on to the Dual Strike. So, something special about this, it shoots Megas and Elite bullets. Cock it from the back. Has a nice blue design. You can switch it right here. Has pixels. A red spot. And the ammo's held right here. Different colors, different size hold. Now let's get into the testing. Okay, we're gonna do 2 first-person shots from this because we're gonna try Mega and Elite. Let's start with Elite. So very strong and accurate. Then switch it on Mega. I hit myself with that. It's really strong. And it still has pretty good accuracy. I would give this a 10 out of 10. So, let's get on to the next weapon, guys. Okay, guys, now we are on to the final 2. So, we'll be using this time the one that I have no idea what the name is. It just says Zombie Strike. So, It has a nice orange design with a little spiral thing right here. You have 4 spots with ammo. I got one that didn't have a thing. My friend got it stuck in there. Here's where you shoot. This is the cocker. It's hard to cock when you're holding the camera, but let me just cock it. You hear that sound. And here's the handle. Now let's get on to the testing. Okay guys, now we will be testing this weapon. Let's see. It is definitely accurate, but it could have a little bit more power. And I would give this a 7 out of 10 because the power is not too good. And let's get on to the final weapon. Okay guys, we are on the final weapon. It's personally my favorite weapon. We'll just cock it. A bullet just fell out. So it holds 3 bullets. It has a nice orange and white design. Cock it right here. This button right here puts out a laser sight. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't, it's too light. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it there. And let's get on to the testing of my favorite. Okay, now we will be testing my favorite, the Fire Strike Elite. So you see that's very strong and it has good accuracy. Do one more. I didn't put it in. Okay, now let's do one more shot. I just hit myself with that. It's pretty strong. So, look, we are done with the final weapon. Okay guys, this is the end of my video on part 1 of my Nerf guns. Here is my sister. She helps me edit sometimes. And you should check out my friend's channel.
What about my channel?
We have a movie with us in it, and Kate Mershon, another channel.
My channel is Kate Mershon. Search it up and subscribe to me. I have like 25 subscribers. So stop walking away, breastfeeding.
She has 25 subscribers without any content. It's amazing. So guys, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.